Unraveling Starting the Process, a guide to beginnings. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, starting the process. This is a phrase you might encounter in various contexts, from formal business settings to casual personal projects. Understanding what it means and how to use it can really help you in both speaking and writing English effectively. So, let's get started. Starting the process refers to the beginning phase of any procedure, activity, or series of actions. It's the initial step that sets everything else into motion. This phrase is often used when talking about the early stages of complex tasks or when describing the initiation of something that will require multiple steps to complete. For example, if someone says, "We are starting the process of renovating our house," they mean that they are at the very beginning of a complicated task that involves planning, decision-making, and physical work. The meaning of starting the process can vary slightly depending on the context in which it's used. In a business context, it might involve formal procedures like signing contracts or holding initial meetings. In a personal context, it could be as simple as doing some research or making a to-do list for a personal project. Understanding the context helps you grasp the full meaning of the phrase and how it applies to the situation being discussed. It also helps you use the phrase correctly in your own communications. Let's look at some examples to see how starting the process can be used in different sentences. 1. The company is starting the process of hiring new employees. 2. I'm starting the process of learning a new language. 3. We need to start the process of organizing the event soon. These examples show that starting the process can be applied to various scenarios, from formal employment procedures to personal learning goals and event planning. Here are a few tips to help you use this phrase correctly. Understand the context. Knowing the background will guide your use of the phrase. Be clear about what process you're referring to. It helps to specify the process if it's not obvious from the context. Combine it with action verbs. Use action verbs like beginning, initiating, or launching to add clarity and strength to your statement. And that's a wrap on starting the process. We hope this video has shed some light on how to understand and use this useful phrase in your English conversations and writings. Remember, every big achievement starts with a decision to begin. So, don't be afraid to start your processes, whatever they may be. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.